Can an Indian company really challenge tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Salesforce? Meet Zoho, a company from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, quietly building world-class software used by over 100 million users across 150-plus countries. Let's see how this Indian giant is taking on the world's biggest players, and why many say Zoho might just be India's Google in the making. Zoho's unique journey. Zoho was founded in 1996 by Sridhar Vembu, long before startup became a buzzword in India. While other companies chase Silicon Valley funding, Zoho chose a different path. No external investors, no ads, no hype. They focused on building products, not valuations. Today, Zoho offers over 55-plus business apps, from email, CRM, and accounting AI tools, all under one ecosystem. Think of it like Google Workspace plus Salesforce plus Microsoft 365, but built in India by Indian engineers. What makes Zoho different? Zoho's philosophy is rare in today's tech world. They don't mine user data. They don't sell ads. They build everything in-house, from software to servers, ensuring data privacy and full control. And while Google and Microsoft charge premium prices, Zoho offers world-class tools at a fraction of the cost, making it perfect for startups and small businesses, especially in developing countries. What's even more inspiring, Zoho set up rural offices in Tamil Nadu, training local youth in tech. It's not just building software, it's building India's tech future from villages. Can Zoho really surpass the giants? Zoho's revenue crossed $1 billion. With AI integration, cloud expansion, and made in India innovation, Zoho isn't just catching up, it's changing the game. Can it surpass Google or Microsoft soon? Maybe not in size, but in ethics, innovation, and independence. Zoho is already ahead. From a small Chennai office to the global stage, Zoho proves you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to make world-class technology. Zoho isn't just a company, it's a symbol of what India's future in tech can look like. What do you think? Can Zoho become the next Google of India? Comment below.